Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to update Windows 10 to the latest version. Hopefully this should be pretty straightforward as long as we don't run into any problems. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. The method to get the latest Windows update is to first go to the main settings page by clicking on the cog icon within the start menu. In settings, choose update and security. You should be on the correct page by default, but if not, select Windows Update from the options on the left of the settings. At the top, locate where it says check for updates and click on that. Leave it for a moment and it should return with an update if there is one available. You can choose to download it now or follow this method to download it later. If you choose to download it now, you will need to restart your PC. Not necessarily straight away, but bear this in mind if you have work open that isn't saved. If you run into any problems with the update, for example there's an issue either finding, downloading or installing it, then click the card on screen now to watch another video of mine that will show you how to overcome this by downloading and installing the updates manually a different way. And so that is how to update Windows 10 to the latest version available. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.